Hariprasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Topic is strategic management through human resource technology. I am calling human resource as technology. Human performance model. Human performance model is be, learn, do. Be, learn, do. This is human performance model. Okay? First go to college, then learn, then practice. That is what be, learn, do. Principal pursuits of executives and managers are performance and managing to get it done. What is the principal pursuit of the managers? Executives do give your performance and manage to get things done. That is the duty of the managers, the executives, etc. Planning and execution are equally important. First planning, then make it to execution. Soft skills can execute any idea. That is why soft skills are required. Human performance technology for peak organizational performance. We call human performance as technology. Human performance technology should be at peak in getting things done. Human performance technology is functioning in an establishment. In establishment, human performance technology is working. Human performance technology is systematic process in which an organization discovers and analyzes desired human performance. What is the desired human performance? Outcomes are goals. Determines what causes these outcomes, designing methods of achieving those outcomes, applies the methods, measures the executiveness of those methods, and redesigns the system for future improvement. The present convergence between new needs and new techniques is revolutionary and should change the strategic evolution of our societies. Organizations need to focus more and more on the client's customized needs. Clients' customized needs are to be met with. Strategic management aims at leading, driving, and helping people through outside and inside organization. Strategic management aims at leading, driving, and helping people through outside and inside organizations. What is a strategic communication? Let us see. Communication involves a back and forth exchange. Give and take communication may be between you and your boss, you and your customer, or whatever. Should be productive relationship for establishing reciprocity. Reciprocity in communication required between you and your boss, between you and your customer. Reciprocity in communication is required. People with EQ and interpersonal skills land in top jobs. You must have emotional quotient EQ and interpersonal skill to land in a top job. Emotional intelligence is the capacity to manage emotions well. Emotional intelligence, EI, is the capacity to manage emotions well. EI is also called EQ. The teamwork necessitated by the complexity of today's workplace has placed increased importance on a worker's interpersonal skills. Emotional intelligence. Let us see what it is. We experience various emotions in day-to-day life, like he is motionless, She is getting unnecessarily emotional. The boss is always in a virile mood. Virile means masculine trait. Why does it happen with me only? He takes everything too personally. He doesn't understand the feelings of others. He is too insensitive. These are the. Then EI constitutes three psychological dimensions such as emotional competence, emotional maturity, and emotional sensitivity, which motivate an individual to recognize truthfully, interpret honestly, and handle tactfully the dynamics of human behavior. An emotionally intelligent person knows what feels good, what feels bad, and how to get from bad to good. Emotion is a spirit that moves us. High performance teams need high performing individuals and high positive energy that spurs high performance. Spurs means urges. The real key to the effectiveness of professionals is their ability to put their domain knowledge into effective practice. Let us study a case. An overweight woman got stuck in a cave, trapped 22 tourists. Cave manager said she had been warned she might not be suitable, but she insisted trying. Question: would you blow up the struck woman or let the 22% starve to death? Solution: they greased her with liquid paraffin and managed to hoist her out with rope and pulley. The future managers know how to deal with people at the emotional level: peers, subordinates, superiors, clients, suppliers, etc. through emotional intelligence. They can build and sustain effective relationships that will result in mutual gain. Every leader can improve the people side of performance by understanding the emotional drivers that bring out the best in people. The ability to deal with one's feelings and understand the feelings of others is EI. Understand your feelings, understand others' feelings. That is what emotional intelligence is. EI is. Leadership alchemy takes people to dig deeper and deeper and reach desired goal: self-awareness, self-disclosure, and inner dialogue. Alchemy means action of changing. Awareness of intrapersonal communication is by overcoming emotional barriers. Self-disclosure is making you by others, making you understood by others. Inner dialogue is the talk that you have with yourself. It is necessary to increase personal competence in the areas of communication, influence, and problem solving. Coming to empathy. Empathy technique is very important in conflict situations. Number one, I can imagine how you must have felt it. Number two, that must have been so annoying. Number three, I know this is difficult for you. Number four, I can see that this is very difficult for you. The above are the empathy statements. The organization climate has link between feelings and performance. When employees feel good about coming to work, they perform better. When they are disengaged, energy drops, quality suffers. Listening. In conflict situations, people need to feel that they have been heard and the other person cares about their predicament. Predicament means difficult situation. Assertiveness. Our behavior shapes our thinking. Assertiveness is the emotionally intelligent way of having our needs met. It takes into account our thoughts, ideas, feelings, as well as those of the other party in a way that works to mutual benefit. Being assertive involves the ability to appropriately express needs and feelings. This can be accomplished by using I statements. 1. I would like you to finish the project by next Thursday. 2. When you decline in the last minutes, it is extremely inconvenient and I feel really annoyed. The above statements indicate ownership. Don't attribute blame. Focus on behavior. Identifies the effect of behavior. Human performance improvement is a comprehensive approach that covers many aspects of behavior related to productivity, achievement, skills and knowledge development, learning and creativity. Before closing this lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hariprasad. You can become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.